What if every time your family needed something important, you had to depend on someone else to provide it? Now think about a country. If it depends on different countries for defense equipment, can we truly call it self-reliant? Over the last decade, India has been trying to change exactly that. The goal has been simple: build more, innovate more, and rely more on Indian capabilities. So, what has changed? Let's break it down and simple down. Let's start with investment. A strong defense ecosystem needs long term planning and funding. According to the Press Information Bureau, India's defense budget has increased from Rs 2.53 lakh crore in 2013 to 2014 to Rs 7.85 lakh crore in 2026 to 2027. Capital expenditure, which is the money used to buy new equipment and modernize the armed forces, has also increased significantly, reaching Rs 2.19 lakh crore. Think of it like renovating a house. You don't just repair old walls, you invest in stronger foundations, better security, and modern infrastructure. The same principle applies to national defense. But spending money is only one part of this story. The bigger question is, are we making these defense systems ourselves? And that's where one of the biggest changes has happened. India's defense production has grown from Rs 46,429 crore in 2014 to 2015 to Rs 1.78 lakh crore in 2025 to 26. The country is gradually moving from being primarily an importer of defense equipment to becoming a manufacturer. In fact, nearly 65% of defense equipment is now produced domestically compared to an earlier period when imports accounted for around 65 to 70%. This shift has also helped Indian companies, MSMEs, and manufacturers become part of much larger defense ecosystem. Another major achievement in defense export. Back in 2013 to 14, India's defense export were just Rs 686 crore. Today, they have reached Rs 38,424 crore, and Indian defense products are being exported to more than 80 countries. That tells us something important. When other countries buy your products, it reflects growing confidence in your manufacturing capability. Innovation has also become a key focus. Through initiatives like IDEX, 676 startups, MSMEs, and innovators have joined India's defense innovation ecosystem with 551 designs and development contracts signed by March 2026. This means innovation is no longer limited to larger defense companies. Young entrepreneurs and startups are now contributing as well. The transformation isn't only about missiles, fighter aircrafts, or warships. It is also about creating an ecosystem where research, technology, and manufacturing and skill talent come together. Today, India has around 500 licensed defense companies, nearly 17,000 MSME, and defense industrial license have increased from 258 in 2015 to 834 by March 2026. The larger picture is this: a strong defense sector doesn't just strengthen national security, it also supports innovation, manufacturing, employment, and technological growth. And that's why India's defense journey over the last decade is not just a military story. It is also a story of capability, self-reliance, and long-term nation building. For more fact-based stories that simplify important developments, stay connected.